Smart Client seamlessly integrates control room data across your enterprise, enabling departments like finance, supply chain, and operations management to leverage production data. Key personnel can access plant data from anywhere, ensuring vital information is always at their fingertips. As a read-only solution, Smart Client sits in your DMZ zone, securely separating your process control and business networks. With System 800XA graphics and trending at your disposal, you can visualize exactly what the control room operator sees, providing a comprehensive view of your operations. Additionally, Smart Client includes an Excel plugin that allows you to collect real-time and historical data for all your reporting needs. This real-time access enhances decision-making, boosts productivity, and fosters collaboration. It offers flexibility and mobility, leading to significant cost savings and secure data access. As your business grows, Smart Client scales to meet your needs, ensuring continued efficiency and effectiveness. It's time to get Smart Client into your facility.